Hi, I'm Shawna Coronado. Welcome to Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips. Today we're going to show you how to plant a pizza garden. We're using my elevated VegTrug with a cold frame. Cold frames help extend the growing season. So if you want to plant earlier and have a longer season, this is the way to do it. This is vegetable fertilizer, and I'm mixing it in with my secret soil combination, which is 1 part rotted manure, 1 part compost, and 1 part potting soil. This is going to give you a lot of moisture for the roots to tap into. All right, the first thing we need to do is place the plants. We want the plants to be in the design that works best. And what we're doing here is we're putting the tall plants, the tomato and the eggplant, on either side of the unit, and we're planting the smaller plants around it. The design enables some of the plants to be protected from the sun, because this is a full sun garden, and the rest of the plants to really flourish in the sun and pop right up and be tall. So we dig a hole, add fertilizer, and then plant the plant so that the soil is level with the top of the plant. In this case, we're doing the SimplyHerb oregano. Next, we're going to plant the Patio baby eggplant, Dolce Fresca Basil, SimplyHerbs parsley. This squash, a butternut squash, I'm sure you're wondering, why do I need petunias in my pizza garden? I don't need them, I want them. I want some flower power added to this vegetable garden. And the wave petunia, fantastic petunia to get. 1 pizza garden ready to grow. Thanks for joining us for Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips.